Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a Medicare enrollment application. First, it's important to understand the different parts of Medicare, including Part A for hospital insurance and Part B for medical insurance. Next, gather all your essential documents, such as your Social Security number and proof of age. Finally, decide how you want to apply, whether it's conveniently online, through the mail, or by visiting a local office. This preparation makes the process much smoother. When filling out the application, pay close attention to the personal information section. Ensure your full legal name, address, and contact details are correct. Next, you'll need to select your desired Medicare coverage start date. This is a crucial step, so choose wisely based on your eligibility. Also, be sure to disclose any other health insurance you currently have, as this impacts your Medicare coordination of benefits. To ensure a smooth application process, avoid common mistakes. Always double-check every entry for accuracy before you submit your form. Leaving required fields blank can cause delays, so make sure everything is filled out completely. Also, be aware of the specific enrollment periods to avoid any potential late enrollment penalties, which can increase your premiums by 10% or more for Part B. After completing your application, submit it through your chosen method, whether online, by mail, or in person. Once processed, you can expect to receive your official Medicare card and a welcome packet in the mail, usually within a few weeks. This packet will contain important information about your new coverage. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.